Hello and welcome to my first ever video, which I'm going to call, well, it's a Minecraft video, and I think we're going to create a new world in Minecraft. I think we are going to call this land Happy Fun Land. Oh, it's perfect. It's all capitalized. No, maybe that isn't right. Bop, 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 bop. Happy Fun from land. There we go. Peaceful, because I never turn off peaceful. Infinite. Bop bop. Bop 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 bop. And then I can't do anything to any of them. And I'm going to do operator. Oh, go back. Okay, member will do. Resource packs. Let's add anything that can make the nether not look creepy. Bop. And then I would also know when I see obsidian, that would be very good. Netherrack, quartz, bop. Lots of happy things. Make everything look pretty. Birch planks and logs. Oak planks and logs. Actually, no, I think I might just use like the Steven Universe texture pack. Deactivate, and deactivate all of these. But I think I might add in a pig. No, maybe not a pig. Yes, okay. This is so exciting. Where is it? But it's all the way down here. I also want the Steven Universe. And then I might add a seed in. I think the seed shall be what is the seed going to be? Sunflower field. And now the world is called Sunflower Field, so I have to change that. Jappy Funland. There we go. Now let's see. Survival, peaceful, blah 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 blah. All that stuff. Friendly fire. Oh, what's this? I've never tried that. I'm gonna try that one day. Create. Da 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 da. Save quicker. Ooh. Oh no, I think it's frozen. Oh, that isn't good. Oh well. Oh, okay, it isn't frozen. Yay. Ooh. 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 It's like the aliens from Toy Story. Ooh. Do 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 do. Half of this video is gonna be just loading the world. La da 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 da. Oh, I should have done the bonus chest thing. Oh well. Da 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 da. As you can tell, I'm playing on Bedrock since I don't really have any other version, but I'm fine with that. I like Bedrock. Steven Universe. La da 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 da. Oh look, there's the big hand thing. And then there's the other stuff. Sometimes it freezes and I honestly don't know why. Oh, yeah, there we go. Why can't it carve? I need to remember that. I always forget that, and then I never find diamonds. I'll remember that. Use shears to carve a pumpkin. I know that. I don't know what that means, because all it does is just kind of don't leave trees floating. I don't get that. Oh well. I'm just reading all of the thingies. I know most of this stuff by now. And this is a peaceful world because I never turn it off peaceful. I like playing in peaceful. Oh. Oh. Yay! I'm in the world. I'm in a tree. Yay! Yay! Happy fun land begins. Just realised my hotbar's cut off. Oh well. Bop. Ow. Hi! Oh, you're really high. Hi. I need to tame him. I think that's a wolf, isn't it? And there's chickens everywhere. Hi. Num num num. Oh no, I have hunger. I forgot it does that. Never trust chicken. That's what that says. Never trust chicken. Bop. Yay! Woody wood wood wood. Woody woody wood wood wood. Oh, I've got stars coming off of me for not a good reason. Oh yeah, it's going away. Oh, it's gone now. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. What was that? Boop. Boop. Oh, that's just dirt. See. Bop. Then I want to go bop, bop. And I want to add something to there. And what's this? Loom. I can make a loom. Oh no, I can't make a loom. Well, I did that wrong. Bop, bop, bop. Bop, bop. Sticks and a crafting table. Where do I live? I think I shall live. Where should I live? Oh no, I don't know where to live. Oh. I think maybe, ooh, water. That's good. That's a very good thing. I don't know why I'm happy about that. It's an extreme hill. It's everywhere. Hi. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. You're happy. I like you. I like you a lot. You're perfect. I wish the wolves looked like that. But instead they look like pumpkin thingies. My house shall be over this mountain, I think. I need to kill some sheep. No! My house should be on that side, yeah. Oh no, it's laggy, I don't like that. Oh, maybe not over there, the bees look creepy. Bee bee bee, it's a creep bee. I can't think of any pun for that. Oh. I shall think of many more puns in the future. Oh, I should live up here. Yes, I shall live up here. There is coal and there is happiness. There's coal and... What does that mean? So I need a pickaxe. Not slabs. Pickaxe. And I need an axe. an axe. Bop. Ooh. Eee, look at me. My pickaxe and my axe. The axe looks more threatening, doesn't it? There! Rah! Don't get hurt. Pickaxe for the stone. And then I need to find like lava. Wait, that stuff's Wait, what is that stuff? What is this stuff? Andesite. Kind of pretty. It's kind of purplish. I like that. 6, 7, 8. Oh wait, 9, 10, 11. 11 pieces, so I can get 1 furnace and 1 wooden pickaxe. Oh, I should get another 3, shouldn't I? 1, 2, 3. Now I can get a stone axe. Why did I even bother getting a wooden one? I mean, the top does look pretty cool, but... So, a furnace. That looks cool. This is why I like this texture pack. And then I want an axe. I need to make some sticks first. Why did I waste my sticks? Dop, dop. Bop, bop. Bop, bop. Okay, and then I do this. Then I do this. Ooh, fancy. I'm gonna keep these in my hotbar so that I can just get rid of them if I see any lava. Oh no, not that. I wanted this. There we go. Oh, okay. So I put this here. There we go. I need something to... Oh, I know. I can just, like, dig a hole of shame. Hole of shame. This shall be the hole of shame. And then I put the andesite back over. There we go. Bop. There. More wood. More wood. Ooh! Cave. Good to remember that's there. Stone pickaxe. Let's get some of this coal. It looks really cool. Looks really cool. I think this is one of my favourite texture packs. 1 level. Yay! Okay. Yes. I don't have anything to smelt at the moment. Let's make some torches. Bop. 7, 8 will do. Oh, I only have 8 sticks. 2 will do. Well, that would be 8 in itself, wouldn't it? Oh. Ooh, they look really pretty. Oh no, it's night! Ah! I don't have a bed, I didn't get sheep. Oh no. Oh no. Cave. The cave is my only option. Or I could always just... Yeah, I think I'm just going to go build like a hut. I guess I am in peaceful though, aren't I? Am I in peaceful? Oh. Peaceful. Okay, I'm in peaceful. Good. That's all good. I don't have a bed. The first thing I always do is get a sheep and not the tree thing. And the one time that I don't do it is when I'm recording. It's kind of funny actually. 1, 2. Sword. Stone sword.